Alright, one more question here from probability. If there is a 20% chance of rain every day for the next 7 days, what is the probability that it will rain exactly 2 days out of the next 7? Very standard probability problem. So let's get to it. It's not hard. Okay, so probability of it raining is 20%. So raining is 20%. Okay, which is 1 over 5. So not raining is 80% or 4 over 5. Okay, what is the probability that it will rain exactly 2 days out of the next 7? Very important word is exactly. Exactly 2 days. They don't want it to be 3 days, 4 days. Or, so it doesn't mean more than 2 days and it does not mean less than 2 days. They want exactly 2 days to rain, remaining 5 days to be dry. How can that happen? That can happen in multiple ways. Let's say you've got 7 days like this, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It could be rain, rain, no rain, no rain, no rain, no rain, no rain. It could be rain, no rain, no rain, no rain, no rain, no rain, rain. And so on. There are so many different arrangements that can happen here. How many different arrangements are there? As you can tell, this is from the arrangement with repetition. How many words can we create with these alphabets? It would be 7 factorial divided by 5 factorial for the n's, because when you exchange two n's, the order doesn't change, times 2 factorial for the r's because of repetition. This gives you 7 times 6 divided by 2, which is 21. So there are 21 scenarios. Okay, in desirable scenarios in which you get 2 days of rain and 5 days of no rain. Now let's calculate the probability of one of these 21 scenarios, and then we'll multiply that probability to 21, because each of these guys will have the same probability. So let's calculate probability for one particular instance, the first one. So let's calculate the probability of rain, rain, no rain, no rain, no rain, no rain, no rain. This is a very particular outcome that everything is certain. And as I told you, when you're using fractions to calculate probability, always work with one particular scenario, and that is when the fractions work the best. Okay, so first day rain 1 over 5, second day rain 1 over 5, no rain for 5 days, so it's going to be to the power of 5. Okay, makes sense? I hope that does. So that will give me 4 to the power 5, which is 2 to the power 10 divided by 5 to the power 5. 5 to the power 7 actually. Okay, and that is 1 day, one particular outcome. I want 21 such outcomes. Okay, so this probability here, which I calculated, was for one outcome. So for 21 outcomes, which I am all favorable, which are all good for me, would be 21 times this answer. That will be 21 times 2 to the power 10 divided by 5 to the power 7. That is my final answer. I don't have to calculate it because it's too big a number. Let's see the options. 21 times... Okay. Alright. What is happening here, if you can notice, is that denominator options are all 10 to the power 7. So I need to make this 5 to the power 7, 10 to the power 7. So what I'll do is I'll multiply it to 2 to the power 7. If I multiply each 5 with the 2, I will get 10. But I don't want to change the answer, so I multiply the same for the numerator. Note this last step based on the options. What I get is answer is 21 times 2 to the power 17, because numerator has now 17 2's and the denominator has 7 10's. Which option is this? It is option number D. And that's the answer, my friends. I hope that helps. See you in the next one. Bye.